Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Our world is full of many powerful personalities who has a great name in the various field. Powerful people don't mean only via their current net worth. It's accumulated and judged in every aspect of that person. There are many powerful people, those who belong to several fields like politics, business and rich family, which rank in Forbes list. So do you want to know the name of the most powerful person in the world? If yes, then you are in the perfect place. Here in this video, we are going to share an update list of the top 10 most powerful people in the world. The list includes the world's strongest and powerful person from a diverse profession. Number 10. Larry Page. Lawrence Edward Page is the co-founder of Google and one of the most influential people in the world. He was born on 26 March 1973 in East Lansing, Michigan, US. The American internet entrepreneur and computer scientist is now the CEO of Alphabet and known as the 9th richest person in the world. His net worth around 55.2 billion US. He invented the PageRank, which also known as by the search ranking algorithm. In 2004, he won the Marconi Prize. So now you can understand the person who owns the world's biggest search engine cannot be a normal person. Yes, definitely. He is among the most powerful people in the world. Number 9. Bill Gates. As we are discussing most powerful person in the world, how we can avoid the name Bill Gates? Yes, William Henry Gates come in the list of top 10 most powerful person in the world. He is one of the most inspirational personalities in the world who have brought revolution in the online world. His current net worth is around 97.9 billion US and he is a founder of Microsoft Corporation. Bill Gates was born on 28 October 1955 in Washington. He is a multi-talented personality and people know him as a smart investor, author, business expert, humanitarian and philanthropist. He is also running the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Number 8. Pope Francis. Pope Francis is the current sovereign and Pope of Vatican City and one of the most powerful people in the world. He was born on 17 December 1936 in Argentina. On March 13, 2013, he named as the 266th Pope of the Roman Catholic Church and become the first citizen from the America, the first Jesuit priest as Pope, first non-European. He is the 9th oldest Pope elected at the age of 76 years and 86 days in elections. Now he is well-known personality and among the influential people in the world. According to the Forbes list, he is at number 8 if we talk about the most strongest person in the world. Number 7. Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos is another most powerful person in the world which have been also listed in the Forbes list. He was born on 12 January 1964, who is famous as an American tech entrepreneur, powerful smart investor and he is the founder, CEO and chairman of one of the leading shopping portals, none other than Amazon. He completed his graduate from Princeton University in 1996 in electrical and computer science trade. He is also the owner of famous aerospace company Blue Origin, which was founded in 2000. The current net worth of Jeff Bezos is around 150 billion US. That's why he is recognized among the most powerful men in the world. Number 6. Angela Merkel. Chancellor of Germany. Angela Merkel is one of the most powerful women in the world. She was born on 17 July 1954 in West Germany. She is a well-trained physician who entered into politics after 1989 fall of Berlin Wall. In the year 2007, Merkel was the president of the European Council and played a crucial role in Treaty of Lisbon and Berlin Declaration negotiation. According to record, Merkel is the longest incumbent chief of government in the European Union and the present senior G7 leader. The current net worth of Angela Merkel is almost 13 million US for the reason that she mentioned among the world most powerful women in the Forbes list. Number 5. Donald Trump. American ex-president Donald John Trump comes at 5th place in the list of most powerful people in the world. He is the ex-president and the ex-chief of the largest armed force of America. That's why he is also recognized as one of the most powerful people in the world. He was born on 14 June 1946 in New York City and before enters into the politics career, he was a TV personality and businessman. He is also the co-author of many books like The Art of the Deal. The current net worth of is almost 3.1 billion US. Forbes has also mentioned him in their list of powerful person in the world. Number 4. Vladimir Putin. Vladimir Putin is the former intelligence officer and a strong Russian politician ever. Now he is the president of Russia since 2012. He was born on 7th October 1952 in Leningrad and got the position of prime minister from 1999 to 2000. He completed his graduation in 1975 at Leningrad State University. No doubt, he is a powerful personality in Russia as well as the whole world. Number 3. Xi Jinping. Xi Jinping is another most powerful person in the world who was born on 15 June 1953 in Beijing, China. He was the former Chinese politician who currently in the position of General Secretary of the Communist Party of China. Besides that, he is also known as the paramount leader of China. He is one of the core leaders and the top top decision maker person in the China. His current net worth is around 1.51 billion US dollar, and he is the chairman of the Central Military Commission of China. Number 2. Mohammed bin Salman Al Saud. Mohammed bin Salman bin Abdul Aziz Al Saud is another most influential people in the world. Mohammed was born on 31st August 1985, and he is known as the Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia, and we all know his lifestyle. He is the first serving Deputy Prime Minister, Development Affairs and Minister of Defense. In April 2016, Mohammed proclaimed a great restructuring of Saudi Arab's economy. His current net worth is around 10 billion US dollar, which make him one of the most powerful people in the world. Number 1. Kim Jong-un. Kim Jong-un is the top leader of North Korea and leader of Workers' Party of Korea since 2011 and 2012 respectively. He was born on January 8, 1983 in North Korea, and now recognizing as one of the most powerful men in the world. He is the foremost North Korean leader to have been born after the country beginning, and now North Korea is recognized among the most powerful countries in the world. Kim was chosen to the National Defense Commission of State in 2009. Thereafter, in next year, he was supported to the rank of 4-star general and was named Vice Chairman of the Central Military Commission and of the Central Committee of the Workers' Party of Korea. When we talk about most powerful people in the world, Kim Jong-un comes on the top list. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel.